And a good Monday to you. I'm meteorologist Cindy Fitzgibbon. Look at these scattered snow showers and squalls. They've been coming through this morning. These are actually lake effect snow bands that are wrapping in on the backside of our weekend storm, which is pulling away, but it's still strengthening. So drier air is going to work on into these, and they should diminish here mid to late morning. But the cold coming in behind the system, pretty intense. It's running in the teens and 20s to our west, and that's the air mass feeding on in. So we're going to watch the cold come in on very strong winds. Look at the gusts by 10 o'clock this morning, over 50 miles per hour in spots, and those winds continue right on into the afternoon, slowly diminishing as we get into the evening and overnight, but still gusting over 30. So there is definitely a damaging wind threat today. High wind warning up across the entire area through 7 o'clock tonight. I think we're going to be seeing frequent gusts between 55 and 60 miles per hour. But out through the hills of Worcester County, the higher elevations will have stronger winds. And this is where we could gust to 65, maybe even close to 70 miles per hour. And it's in this area, the higher elevations, that we have a better chance of seeing some power outages. So tree damage, scattered power outages, all a concern today. Now the snow showers will be diminishing this morning, and we'll see some breaks of sunshine on into the afternoon. But look at the temperatures holding steady, slowly falling off. That wind sustained around 30, gusting higher, is tapping into that colder air. So the temperatures will be dropping. Most of the snow showers diminish afternoon time, and you can see how the skies start to clear. But we're down in the 20s here by sunset, and the temperatures drop even more overnight. Teens for overnight lows for a lot of us as the skies clear out. It is still going to be windy overnight, but much colder heading out tomorrow morning. And tomorrow is a cold day. It'll be sunny, but look at the temperatures stuck in the 20s tomorrow. When you factor in the winds, wind chills tomorrow morning, single digits above and below zero, and we don't really recover much through the day. It's going to be a bright but a blustery day coming up on Tuesday. Now the winds are going to be shifting around more to the northwest, so bright skies in general, and we'll hang on to that through early on Wednesday. But the computer models are now bringing in a storm a little bit faster on Wednesday. So look at this during the afternoon. Snow may start to move in, perhaps in time for the evening commute, and continue on into Wednesday night. This could even impact the Thursday morning commute. It doesn't look like a big storm. It's a fast mover. It's pretty starved for moisture, but this area of low pressure tracking to our south on Thursday morning will pull the snow on out of here by Thursday afternoon, but this could have an impact on the Thursday morning commute. Likely a few inches. We'll tailor that for you and get more details on amounts coming up, but you can see we do recover by the weekend, so our next storm system could start as a mix on Saturday, changing to rain.